For today's video, we will show you how to transfer money from Venmo to PayPal. So let's begin. Okay, so for anyone who wants to know what Venmo is, so it's a social payment for service to make and share payments with friends, family, and business in the United States. It's like PayPal, but on the other hand, it's unique that on Venmo you can share and like payments through a social feed. Now, how to use Venmo? Simply open an account, all right? And basically, you can transfer money to and from your bank account. You can make purchases with your Venmo debit card or Venmo credit card. So for more information, I suggest you go at this links, right? And you can also pay using your QR codes in store or authorized partner apps or mobile websites. Now, PayPal merchants will have an expanded consumer audience in the US as customers can now use their Venmo accounts to make purchases during a mobile PayPal checkout. So the merchants' fees and protections will remain consistent with their PayPal payments, and you don't have to do anything to complete this integration. Now, how do you set yourself to send money from your Venmo account to PayPal? Simply, if you want to send money to your PayPal account via Visa Plus, the first step is making sure your PayPal account is properly set up with the pay name. Click right here if you want to know more about that. Visa Plus payments cannot be canceled or reversed, so it's important to make sure they're going to the right place. So once you are sure you have your PayPal pay name, follow these steps. Now, go to the Me tab, tap the settings gear in the top right, tap send money to PayPal, tap send. Of course, you need to enter your PayPal pay name. You have to be sure, all right? Enter the dollar amount you want to send and confirm the payment details and hit next. Remember, guys, Visa Plus payments cannot be canceled or reversed, so please ensure the details are correct, all right? It pays to check. Payments sent to the wrong pay name or account could be lost and once again cannot be reversed, all right? And you'll need to confirm the last four digits of the phone number on your PayPal account to complete the payment. It can take up to 30 minutes for the money to get to the other account. Say, for example, you encounter problems during the transferring your money from Venmo account to PayPal, I suggest you contact the Venmo help center or the PayPal contact support, and they'll be more than glad to assist you that you are having problems, transferring money from your Venmo to your PayPal account. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.